come in. Okay. But when you're looking at a partnership, it's the other way around. It's a window you can go out. 8 and 1, have some fun. Go out the open window. So for example, if you're a partnership and your head center is undefined, all the other 8 centers are defined. That's the place to have some fun. The two of you have to get into inspiration together so that you don't turn everything in on yourselves and you have a common ground for you to go out together. So 8 and 1 is a very fortunate composite because there is this one place where they can both go out. So for example, if you have an undefined splenic couple, they got 8 other centers defined, spleens open, the way they have fun is finding out how to feel good. And they do that together. You know, they go to all the herbal festivals and, you know, that's where they go out to have some fun. So the 8 and 1, you have some fun. 7 and 2, there's work to do. I know. It's my karma to have 7-2 relationships. Think about what happens when you have a 7-2. When you have a 7-2, you don't have the advantage of the 8-1. There's only one window. They got to go out together. But 7 and 2, you got 2 windows. And that means one can go out one window and the other one goes out the other window. And they have fun alone with somebody else. So 7 and 2, there's work to do so that you can figure out how you can both go out both of those windows together, that you can both have fun in those. But of course, by being able to give you a simple rhyme, it also tells you that the mechanics themselves always work in this simple way. And that if you're brought in your geometry to a 7-2 relationship, it is because you are equipped to deal with 7-2 work to do. You know, it's what's there for you in your geometry to meet. And of course, if you're in a 7-2 relationship and you enter into it correctly, you know, that's exactly what's there for you. You better work that stuff out. Okay. 6 and 3. Better to be free. You know, there's so many windows. There's this impression that there is a commonality in the 6 centers. However, 3 centers open is a dilemma. There are so many different windows to go out of to escape. And these are escape relationships. In other words, you go in knowing you've got all those windows to go out of. As a matter of fact, you only go in seeing the windows so you know how to get out. You know, where is the doorway, where's the exit before I